Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop. Welcome back to my channel and back to the series of the bathtub to shower conversion. Alright, so this is going to be part 11. Yep, the last part. I think there's going to be a part 12. That'll be the final. And so in part 11 I'll show you what I went ahead and did. So the shower door was completed, finished, as you can see. It's in there. It's leveled, plumbed, everything's looking good. I think I told you guys before about that top track, or the rail rather, that it's interchangeable. Went ahead with the flat face instead of the round face. Finished caulking everything. And it's looking pretty good. Alright, so I used that, like I said, that clear silicone to go ahead and finish the edges off on both sides. As you can see, all the way up. And on the inside, like I said, I finished it off with clear also, because that was better than the white. Alright, so I went ahead and, as you can see, I got my drop cloth down also, and the reason for that is to paint the base that I made for the pan, you know. So I painted this whole thing all the way across. Alright, and also started installing the baseboard. Actually installed it, finished it, as you can see, all the way around. And this is that tall 5 1/4 inch baseboard, and the reason for that was that they have the same on the rest of the house, so I went ahead with that to keep it uniformed. Door molding, or casing rather, is also in place. As you can see, I went with this style here. I believe this is called like a colonial, because it's got different surfaces and grooves all the way around. Caulked also to finish off all the gaps, and you see in the corners, miter corners came out perfect. Measured twice, cut once, guys. So yep, and all the way down. And this side right here also, molding's done, and caulked. Went ahead and installed this toilet paper holder. This is a cool one. It's the one that actually just lifts up like that. Take out the old roll, slide the other one, bring it down, sets in place. These come with a template, and these are like snap in place. There's a little on the bottom, there's like a little wheel, not a wheel, a little ball, and you put them in like this on an angle, and then you snap it down. It's got the little tabs on the inside, that hook right on the top part, and that's how you install those. So like I said, I got a little template. You use a little mini level like this one. Tape one side of the paper, put it on the wall, get your levelness there, and then tape the other side, and then come back and with a nail or a screw puncture the center of the picture of the little where the mounting brackets go, and then you come back. Comes with anchors and everything. Here I just so happened to hit a stud, so I didn't have to use the anchors and screws. I went and just used longer screws of the same, went straight through, and went ahead and also installed the towel bar. Same company, so you get the same setup, same anchors. This one here, I took my level, and to keep them lined with each other, see from here, you go straight up to there, they're lined up with each other. And basically what it is, I took a measurement between here and here, down there, to get my reference for there. And so like I said, went ahead and did that. And I hate this damn camera's not focusing right. But anyway, so yeah, I got the towel bar in. Just use a 2-foot level. This is a 24-inch towel bar, and it comes, the template comes for an 18 and a 24. Went ahead and did that. Also put the cone on the fan to light fixture. Looking pretty good. Everything's brushed nickel, so that's the theme that they went with. But the shower is almost like a brushed silver but it's not exactly. It's not chrome either, but it follows these guys, you know, right here. So, like I said, everything else is off. The next two items I'm going to be installing is the toilet. There's the supply line for the toilet right there, and the vanity. All right, and I'm going to show you the vanity here in a second. All right, guys, so this is the vanity that they're going to have me install for them. And you see it already has the faucet, the sink. The only thing it doesn't have is the drain. And it's going to need a one of those push button drains, because there's no space behind there to put one of those little rods that go down and up. And right back below here, this door that opens down is where I'm going to have to connect all my plumbing. So this is the one that goes in there, and as you can see, that's the reason why I had to do the baseboard like this one all the way across the bottom, so that, because once that's in there, this is going to be exposed on the bottom and you're going to be able to see it. Alright, so that's it for part 11, guys. As always, please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button for more upcoming videos, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Bye.